yeah, whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and win a synonym. So if I ever win again, just know I did the minimum. I didn't have to sell my soul. Oh, yeah. Please don't play no games with me. It was never about the fame to me. They needed the best, so they came to me. Whoa. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe, say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip, make it bang, ooh, yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive, tell them, yeah, that's me. My girl's so proud of your boy when they ask, is that your man? Yeah, that's me.
Alright guys, so I just did a plastic welded this to here. Alex thinks it's trash. I know, it feels kind of strong. So the test is that Alex is gonna step on this. If it breaks at the weld, then it's good. If the weld breaks, then I did a bad job. So we'll see.
Oh,
Did it work?
yeah, good work.
Take my place. I went too hard, can't feel my face.
All right, guys, day 4 wrapping up. We're heading out of town tomorrow. It was a great show. 4 days of walking around, 2 different halls, multiple laughs, multiple meetings, conversations. It is exhausting. You guys know if you guys have done this before. So we're heading back to the house now, start wrapping up the trip.
Yeah, that's me. Who that chillin' at the top? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah. Tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm chillin' at the top. Ooh, yeah, that's me.